Hi, this is Why. Today's question is, why Petra? How was an entire city carved into rock? Let's find out. Petra is situated in southern Jordan's Man Governorate, roughly 240 kilometers south of the capital, Amman, at an elevation of about 810 m above sea level. The ancient city lies on the eastern flank of the Araba Rift Valley, carved into the sandstone cliffs of Jabal al-Madba, Mountain of the Table, and pierced from east to west by the narrow gorge known as the Sick. Its geographic coordinates are approximately 30.329 degrees north, 35.445 degrees east. Strategic location and wealth. Petra sat at a crossroads of spice, silk, and incense routes. Caravan tolls and trade profits funded ambitious building projects. Material properties. Local sandstone is comparatively soft, ideal for carving intricate details. Once exposed to air, the stone hardens and gains strength. Cultural synthesis. Nabateans blended Hellenistic, Greek column designs, and Eastern motifs. Imported concepts, arch forms, decorative friezes were adapted to stone-cut facades. Protective treatment. To guard against wind and rain, artisans applied a lime-based plaster infused with natural oils. This coating sealed pores and preserved the rock's warm hues. Roughing out the shape. Teams of laborers used iron picks to remove massive rock faces, sometimes up to 60% of the cliff. They worked from top to bottom, letting gravity carry debris away. Scaffolding and safety. Wooden scaffolds and earthen ramps enabled access to high facades. Rope and leather harnesses kept master sculptors secure. Fine detailing. Specialist sculptors wielded chisels of varying widths to carve columns, capitals, and intricate reliefs. Even human figures and mythological creatures were rendered in deep relief. Finishing and polishing. Surfaces were smoothed with sandstone grinders and pumice stones. Final lime plaster coats made the carved surfaces gleam in sunlight. Natural threat, flash floods. Petra sits in a narrow canyon prone to sudden desert storms. Uncontrolled runoff could undercut foundations and erode carvings overnight. Hydraulic engineering solutions. Rock-cut channels and gutters diverted water away from monuments. Dams slowed torrential flows, settling basins trapped debris. Underground cisterns and piping. Hidden cisterns stored thousands of liters, then distributed it to fountains and gardens. Secret pipes ran behind facades, preventing water pressure from cracking the stone. Sustainable oasis. This system not only protected Petra's architecture but also supported a thriving urban center in the desert. One, name origin, rock. The name Petra comes from the Greek word Petros, meaning rock. 2, the Rose-Red City. Petra is nicknamed the Rose-Red City because its sandstone facades change color throughout the day, displaying shades from pink to deep red. 3, Nabatean capital. Petra began to flourish as the capital of the Nabatean kingdom in the 1st century BC, growing wealthy from incense, myrrh, and spice trade. 4, advanced water management system. The Nabateans engineered dams, reservoirs, ceramic pipes, and channels to control flash floods and sustain agriculture in the desert. 5. Only 15% excavated. Despite its fame, only about 15% of Petra has been excavated and studied. Vast areas remain hidden beneath the sands. 6. Over 1,000 tombs. The Nabateans built more than 1,000 tombs here, making Petra one of the world's largest rock-cut necropolises. 7. The 4 royal tombs. Petra's most elaborate burial sites, the Urn Tomb, the Silk Tomb, the Corinthian Tomb, and the Palace Tomb. form the famed Royal Tombs complex. 8. Rediscovery in 1812. Swiss explorer Johann Ludwig Burckhardt rediscovered Petra in 1812, entering the city disguised as an Arab scholar. 9. New 7 Wonders of the World. In 2007, Petra was voted one of the new 7 wonders of the world. 10. Peak population 20,000 to 30,000. At its height, 1st century BC to 1st century AD, Petra was home to an estimated 20,000 to 30,000 inhabitants. 11. Biblical connection. Petra lies in Wadi Musa, Valley of Moses. According to tradition, Moses struck water from a rock at nearby Ain Musa. One, decline and rediscovery. After Roman annexation AD 106 and a major earthquake AD 363, Petra faded from memory. In 1812, explorer Johann Burckhardt rediscovered the city, sparking modern archaeology. 2. Ongoing discoveries. Excavations continue to reveal bathhouses, Byzantine churches, and water mills. New cave tombs and hidden temples are still being documented. 3. Cultural impact. Petra inspires architects, artists, and filmmakers. Think Indiana Jones. Its fusion of nature and craftsmanship remains a unique testament to human creativity. 4. UNESCO and conservation. Today, Petra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Conservation efforts focus on balancing tourism with preservation, ensuring why Petra still answers its age-old question, how can we shape stone into civilization? If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe and hit the bell to uncover more ancient mysteries with Why. See you next time.